Hey kids, it's me, Miko the monkey. Today, I decided to leave the jungle and head into the city. First, I tried to jump from tree to tree, but there were no trees, just big buildings. So I ran to the park and the kids saw me. They started laughing, and I started dancing silly monkey moves. Then I found an ice cream truck. I tried to ask for a banana flavor, but I ended up with vanilla and spilled it all over myself. Now I'm a sticky monkey. Finally, I saw a bicycle and thought, I'll ride it. But it was too small for me, and I fell right into a flower bed. Now I smell like flowers. That's just another funny day in the city for Miko the monkey.